How does in-home delivery work? In-home delivery is less commonly used service than just doorstep delivery. Most of our customers set the laundry outside and we return it the same day to their doorstep. For those customers who, for whatever reason, need a more secure delivery, we do offer in-home delivery. Typically, the way this works is we will keep your garage door code or a keypad code on hand, and this allows our drivers to access a secure space, get the dirty laundry, and return it later that day using the code. In general, this is for really special circumstances. At times, if that access requires more time from the driver, we may charge an additional fee, but we do offer it as an option so that you can feel that your laundry is secure.